Good Monday morning. Here's the way it plays out for today. Hot, humid, almost exactly like what we had yesterday. And then we'll undergo some changes through Tuesday and Wednesday. A front will trigger some thunderstorms, and then drier air will dominate for Wednesday to Friday. Right now on radar, there's nothing. Everything's either really far northwest of us toward Wyoming and Montana, or it's really far east-southeast into the lower Mississippi Valley area. But some of those clouds from that tropical storm that made landfall easing our way, and so some of the outer bands of cloud cover sort of reaching up past Springfield and almost getting to Kansas City. So as we go through probably 8, 9, or 10, we'll get the initial clouds to kind of come in. That'll make it mostly sunny to partly cloudy, and then there could be quite a bit more for the late day. But that's what we're going to see in extreme eastern Kansas. Our wind is southeast at 10 to at times 15 miles per hour. Tad stronger out here toward Junction City, Chapman, Abilene, Clay Center, Concordia, Belleville, where it's going at almost 15. And the dew points are pretty high, a 70 in Kansas City, 70 down there toward the Ottawa area, 69 Burlington, 68 in the Manhattan area, and it should be right around 70 to 71 for a good part of the day. 73 in Springfield, 74 in Wichita, just as warm in Goodland and North Platte, and then it does cool off into the Rockies. Some spots there in the 30s over toward the Tetons and West Yellowstone, and then Casper 43, Denver at 52. We will see drier, cooler air, not to that extreme, but certainly cooler, drier weather once we get past another 36 to 48 hours. So Cristobal made some landfall here. A lot of flooding. That was the biggest concern as it came on shore with its storm surge. Rain passing Jackson, Mississippi right now. And again, some cloudiness will gradually get thrown toward us just a bit as this moves almost due north today. And then on the other side, we do have this trough in the Great Basin, but so much of that precipitation is running across the upper Rockies and the Dakotas. But this will gradually start heading toward us. But in the meantime, for today and tonight, we have the remnants of that tropical storm kind of lifting on in. So for today, some cloudiness kind of thrown in our direction, and that'll make it partly cloudy, if not partial sunshine for us. And then as we go through the overnight, likely mostly cloudy. Rain starts moving through Missouri and into Iowa, and then we'll start getting our showers and instability factor, though, from the west. That will come into play for thunderstorms late Tuesday, overnight into early Wednesday morning. So for today, back into the 90s, a 93 high, dew point around 71. Overnight, 71 degrees for the air temperature with a mostly cloudy sky. And then once we go through the day on Tuesday, in that 4, 5, 6 p.m. period, we should have some thunderstorms. Windy, clearing out as we go through a Wednesday. The dew points tumble from the low 70s into what could be the low 50s, so it should feel so much better. High 83, sunshine and still not terribly humid going through Thursday and Friday, and a pleasant mid-June weekend on Saturday starting at 62 to a high of 82, and on Sunday some mid-80s. That's going to feel so much better, low to mid-80s instead of those low to mid-90s.